Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wapenas.com, and we're doing another quick unboxing of another budget entry phone that we bought from Shopee. Shopee. So as you can see, it's still in the package. Just got delivered today. It's called the Telego J89 smartphone 6.1 HD LCD water drop screen Android 8.1 RAM 2 GB. Okay, so there it is. It's well packed. As you can see, it's probably one of the most well packed devices that we've got. They have used a lot of um, bubble wrap. Okay, so the kids are gonna enjoy popping this again. So we're gonna pause it. There it is. They even gave an acknowledgement receipt, which they're the only one that I have seen that does that. And as you can see, they even put a tie wire. Oh, see, so they're the only one that I've seen that actually did that. So here's the phone. It's the J89 Telego J89. We bought this in Shopee sa flash sale nila the other day. So most of the phones we unbox here right now, we buy it from Shopee or Lazada, right? Okay. So it's supposed to be an Android 8.1 quad core 1.3 gigahertz. It's supposed to have a 6.1 HDLCD 600 by 1280, SD card max of a 128, RAM 2 GB ROM 16 GB, 8 megapixels for the front, 13 for the back, water drop screen, 2800 milliamperes. It supports 3G. 3G support Wi-Fi. I assume it's a 3G phone. Okay. There. Okay. Can you see it? By the way, we're using the Huawei Y9s to film this unboxing. Okay. There's the phone. Okay. We'll see what else it has. According to the acknowledgement receipt, it should have the plastic silicone case, which it does. So we're gonna leave it outside. Okay. It also has a standard micro USB cable, wall charger that's 1000 milliamperes. Okay. The battery says here 2800 milliamperes, and earbuds, which I like compared to the earphones. So that's good. We're gonna keep the rest of the stuff that we got. We don't need that. Oh, why is the earbuds outside? We're not gonna use it. We're gonna leave it inside the box. Okay. So we're gonna show you the phone right now. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, the power button and the volume buttons are located on the right side. It's sporting a tri-cam at the back, which I doubt, because it's not in the specs. So most likely these are all pa-cute. Let's see. Looks like the two in the bottom are dummy, because if you check closely, only the top one has something inside, a green thingy. Okay, so we're gonna remove the back case. I assume you remove the back casing of this one. Wait, see. Okay, so it looks like it's using two nano SIM cards, and there's a space for a micro SD. Okay, it's using GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900 megahertz, and WCDMA 2100 megahertz. Okay, so it might work abroad. Might. Okay, I don't think the Philippines uses WCDA specs. Okay. So we're going to remove the cover right now. Looks like the phone already has screen protector. which is good for something this cheap. You don't means that they thought about it. Okay, the price is 2,299 in Shopee when I bought it. They're claiming it's 5,999. Okay, now it's at 2,799. So we still got 500 pesos discount. So the phone looks nice, got the black one. So not sure if you can remove this. I don't see any way to lift it up, so we're just gonna leave it there. Okay. And according to, looks like it's claiming to have a fingerprint sensor. Ooh, I don't think it will. Okay, let's check. Ooh, settings. Okay, it's super slow. Okay, we're not gonna connect it to the Wi-Fi. I want to see the specs of the phone. It's Android 8.1 as it claims on the box. Okay. It has fingerprint DAO. So I don't not sure. It's just as fingerprint style. So I'm not sure if it actually has fingerprint. But in the security, it doesn't say that it has one. So I don't think it. Oh yeah. Wait. Screen in the fingerprint. What's that? You need to touch screen fingerprint. I don't think that's a real fingerprint scanner. We'll know when we actually do the test. So it has, out of 16 GB, it still has 4.29. It used 4.29, so you have about 11.71 left for the phone. Okay. The camera will try to show you how good the camera is. Doesn't say if the camera it just says it's 30 megapixels in the back, so I guess the other two there are just for show. Okay. Okay. So it does say its picture size is maximum of 13 megapixels. Okay. The front, okay, front is supposed to have 8 megapixels there. So that's the quick unboxing of the Telego J89. We'll let you know in the next couple of days what we find out, especially when we download the Antutu. But well, if you're looking for a cheap phone that's below 3,000, it's not that heavy. I like the way it looks though. The screen is very bright and all this stuff, so we'll see. So there, can you see? That's it for the quick unboxing of the Telego J89, guys. Who knows, I might raffle this off or the Oro A5s soon on the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.